Wonderful dreams.
The wonderful dreams. Wonderful dreams.
Happy dreams.
Happy dreams.
What are your happy dreams?
You tell me your happy dreams first.
You first.
No, you first.
No, you first.
You first.
Last night, I went first eh. I told you my happy dreams last night. Oh, ikaw naman. Your turn.
Eko naman.
Ikaw naman. Your turn.
Eko na. My happy dreams is dating Santa Claus. Only.
Oh, wow. Meeting Santa Claus? Wow. When did you meet Santa Claus?
One day.
Yeah, last Christmas? Oh, what did you tell Santa?
I said, Merry Christmas.
You said Merry Christmas. What did Santa say?
Merry Christmas too.
He said Merry Christmas too. What else? Diba he gave you a gift?
He gave me a gift of boy.
Santa said, "Is your name Andy?"
Yeah. And
then you said,
ah.
and then what did Santa say after? The elves prepared something special for you, right?
Yeah.
And then
No.
Santa gave you a gift.
No.
Yes, I have a video eh.
No, I'm not.
Yes, and
No.
then we opened the gift here at
No.
home.
No.
No. What's the gift? What was Santa's gift?
No.
No.
I don't want.
You don't want? What was Santa's gift?
No.
It was a Barbie, diba?
No.
Oh, what other happy dreams do you have?
Nothing. Just that.
You have one lang?
Just one. Not the other. Not the other. Not the other. Not the other.
No more happy dreams?
No.
Ah,
Do you
okay.
have one only?
Yes.
You tell me your happy dreams next.
Playing with Andy and Papi. Playing Legos with Andy and Papi.
I have 5 happy dreams.
Wow. Can you tell Mommy your 5 happy dreams?
5 first and then 1, okay?
Okay. I'll go.
5 is the one with playing with Mommy.
Oh, playing Polly Pocket?
Don't say oh.
I don't say oh. Why not?
Because see all your
Ganun lang?
yeah, softly. He doesn't broken. No.
Ah, okay. What else? What are your other happy dreams?
Wait. I have one I said.
Oh, what else? Yun na yun? Done na?
What's lumpy?
Here, oh.
I was looking for under the kumot.
It was under the kumot, but on this side. It was beside Mommy. Not Papi's side.
Not Papi's side? Because Papi's not here?
Papi's in the banyo. So,
Is he brushing her teeth?
maybe.
I'm gonna ask him later.
Okay. So, what do you want to do tomorrow?
Wait, I'm gonna get something here. Not just wearing a dress. He needs to take a bath.
Oh.
He go to the party. She needs to take a bath and brush her teeth.
Okay.
This is the shower of Lampy.
Okay. And then?
She's wearing her clothes now.
Okay. Her pajamas? She's ready to sleep na?
That was a yawn. That was a yawn.
Her yawn? Not her snore?
Not a snore.
Are you sure? It sounds like a snore. I think that's a snore, not a yawn.
Oh, I snore. Sorry. Sorry, Lumpy. Don't say. Don't laugh.
I don't laugh.
Just like this, I told you.
Soft laugh lang.
Yeah, like this.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. I smell something.
What's that?
Did you make a thought?
Papi made that. Are you made
Did you
that?
make poopy in the potty today?
No.
How come? How come? Maybe tomorrow? You're gonna try?
No.
You promised, Mommy.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you did.
No. I
Yeah.
don't like.
Why? Diba you're gonna practice na?
No.
Yes. So that when you turn 3 years old, you know na how to poop in the potty, diba?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes, because you're a little girl na.
No.
Yes, you're a little girl na. You're so tall na.
No. Look at me.
Hey, the kumot. The kumot. You're getting the kumot.
I need comfort.
No, you come here. You come here near Mommy. You come here near Mommy.
Lumpy.
Where's Lambi? Where's Lambi? Here. Oh.
Lumpy, stop.
Come here near Mommy.
I need Papi's place.
You're in Papi's place.
I'm in Papi's place.
Wow. Baby, when are you gonna bring home your artwork from school?
Next time I told you.
Next time pa? You ask teacher again, Okay? You can bring home the artwork. Okay?
I was just go to the art classroom.
And then?
And then I would just watch.
Mm.
I'm leaving now.
Leaving? Kanina in school? That's why you didn't bring home the artwork? Sige.
I forgot.
You forgot? It's okay. Well, next time, okay? You ask teacher.
Oh, my artwork.
Di ba we always display your artwork?
No.
Yes, we do.
Don't answer.
What?
I'm gonna wear off my feet. I'm gonna wear off.
What's that?
Oh, that's a butter.
Oh, where's Tita and Pote? Where is it?
But the other
Where's the other one?
one.
Where is it?
She's hiding.
Ito na. Come here.
Oh, where's my art?
Here.
I was looking for the other one. You wait, huh?
Okay.
You were not waiting.
When?
Here.
Where?
Here.
Now. Wait for what?
Huh?
Wait for what?
Wow! 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 Lumpy.
Ayan si Lumpy. Oh.
Yeah?
Mm-mm.
No, that's not Lumpy. This is Lumpy.
What? That's Tete and Pote.
This is Lumpy. This
No.
is Lumpy.
No.
I'm Lumpy.
No.
I'm Lumpy.
Hi, Lumpy.
I'm Lumpy.
I thought Lumpy's sleeping na.
I'm Lumpy.
Mm.
I'm not sleeping. I'm just take a bath and sleep.
Oh, Lumpy's done taking a bath na.
I'm dirty, but look.
Dirty pa.
Mommy.
Well, bango na eh.
No.
Done na? Okay. Say goodnight na. Say goodnight na to Lumpy. Ah! Ay, you get Lumpy. Come on. Oh, you say goodnight na. Nga. Kala, saan napunta? Get it.
Okay, I got that. Oh no. Lumpy.
Yeah, you might fall.
He was hiding like this.
Oh, careful. You might fall.
He was hiding like this.
Mm-mm. Hindi ka na.
I got you, Lumpy. Ah! What's this?
Nothing. Just put it there. Sleeping
Oh,
time.
what?
Nothing na. It's mommy's, not yours. Not a toy.
That's mine.
No.
But that's the light.
It's just a light.
But that's right.
It's just a light. Just sleep. You lay down.
Ah.
Did you hit your head?
You
Did you
do
hit your
that
head?
next time.
Did you hit your head?
You do that next time like this.
Tug. Ow!
You do that next time.
No. Don't hit your head.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. That's ouchy.
Just one only.
That's ouchy.
Just like this.
Tuk. Like that lang.
Like this. When you lay down on the pillow like this.
Oh. But the pillow is soft.
Huh?
The pillow is soft eh. Diba?
Yeah, I know.
How many chocolates did you eat kanina?
What?
How many chocolates did you eat?
Just two.
Just 2?
Mm-mm.
I think you ate 3. Kasi diba you were eating 1 and then you said 2 more. Diba?
No, I didn't.
Ah, isa lang kinain mo after.
Mm-mm.
Ah, okay. You were just joking, mommy?
Mm-mm. Just joking you.
Oh, okay. Sleep na. Let's sleep na. It's almost midnight. It's almost midnight. It's almost midnight.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Look at the clock.
Oh,
It's almost midnight na.
my little pocket are sleeping. Why is my little pocket and button and sleeping?
Well, because you keep moving and moving. That's why.
Oh, I think of the aircon. I think of the aircon. I said.
You should turn off the aircon. Why?
Because it's so cold.
It's so cold.
That's why it's just very cool.
Yes, you should stay under the kumot.
And Dr. Kumot and my face.
Yes. Yeah. Where's Andy?
I don't know.
Where's Andy?
Yeah, I don't Dr. Kumot. I don't Dr. Kumot. Yeah, I don't Dr. Kumot.
Let's sleep na. Let's sleep na talaga. It's sleeping time. Oh, la, la, la. Oh.
Night, night.
Okay. Oh, you say good night first to mommy.
Good night.
Good night, my baby.
Good night, my mommy.
I love you, my baby.
I just want to say good night. I love you.
Say, I love you, my mommy.
I love you.
What? What's that voice?
So that it won't get loud.
Oh, but I wanna hear. I love you, my baby.
I love you.
My honey. Oh, that was so soft naman. I couldn't hear. Oh, that was so soft. I couldn't hear it. I love you, my baby. I love you. I love you, my baby.
I was singing this. I was singing this. No, like this.
Oh. Oh, like that? I want louder. No, not whisper. I said louder.
I'm gonna say, I love you.
Ah! Oh, you kiss mommy.
I
Kiss.
love you.
So loud. Oh, you kiss mommy. Kiss. Kiss and embrace tight.
You say I'm an also famous.
No. Kiss and embrace tight. Love you.
I
You're so funny. You're joking, mommy na naman. You're joking, mommy na naman eh.
love you.
Keep joking lang.
I shoot. I love you.
Embrace tight. Embrace tight. Embrace tight.
Yeah.
My sweet baby.
I can't move. My head keeps going to my face.
Your hair keeps going to your face. Yeah, because you keep moving and moving and moving and moving.
Because I need to go out.
You need to go out. Where? Excuse me. Can you sit down first? Here's a pen. Wait lang. Here's a pen. Let's fix yours a pen. Okay, there you go.
I like it on your hand.
Yes. Wala. Oh, sleeping time na talaga. Aray ko.
You say aunt now.
No more na. Ay, no more na.
Me now.
Oh, sige, ikaw lang. Oh, go.
No. You walk over my mouth. I'll put some in the other hand, this one.
Mm.
Ah, 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 ah.
Oh.
Like this.
Mm.
Ah, ah, ah.
That's so loud.
I like that. I like that.
Okay. What's that voice?
Oh, I'm just joking you.
I'm just joking. Wala. Oh. Oh, you ano na. Calm yourself down. Matutulog na tayo, okay?
Nick.
Mic na. Okay. I'll kiss mommy first. I'll give you mic. Love you.